Giving back connected by SNS. One day, Hikari, a young illustrator in Tokyo, was sketching in the park between work. Then, suddenly, a white crane appeared in front of her. The crane was working hard to put the garbage on the road. Hikari was surprised, but she took a picture of it on her smartphone and posted it on Instagram. A few days later, Hikari notices that the photo has gained a lot of likes. The number of followers has increased, and the number of people who come to see her work has increased. She was grateful that the crane was picking up garbage in the park, and muttered in her heart, "We want to make a work together this time." The next day, when Hikari went to the park, the crane appeared again. Surprisingly, the crane spread its wings toward her and showed her beautiful feathers. Hikari decided to use its wings to draw an illustration on the theme of the beauty of the crane. Churu provided inspiration while strolling around the park as if to help with Hikari's work. Eventually, Hikari completed a collection of illustrations on the theme of Thanksgiving of cranes and started selling them online. The work was a big hit, and she became recognized by many people. One night, when Hikari came home, she received a message saying thank you in a direct message on her SNS. The sender was that crane. Surprised, Hikari never thought that her work would reach the animals naturally. She decided to start environmental protection activities with the crane. The return of the crane spread all over the world through the light, and people began to participate in her activities. Hikari continued to appeal to the importance of nature and coexistence with animals through her paintings. And she began to clean the park every year in order to return the kindness that the crane gave her. It became her new mission to keep her promise to the crane. The end.